Welcome back and thank you so much for staying with us here on India Today. Now, a second-generation fighter jet engaged in a dogfight with a superior fourth-generation fighter jet and brought it down just a week after India's hero and Air Force pilot Abhinandan Varthaman crash-landed in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. India Today retraces the ordeal that pilot. Have a look.
World's envy, India's pride. Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman flew into immortality the day he shot down a superior F-16 jet of the Pakistan Air Force with his MiG-21 Bison during a dogfight and was captured in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. India Today retraces Abhinandan's ordeal behind the enemy lines and reveals never before seen images from Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.
India Today is the first channel to reach at ground zero where his jet fell and where he also landed and got captured by the people. I am standing right now in Horan village, which is in Pakistan administered Kashmir, about 3 kilometers away from the line of control.
Abhinandan is perhaps the only MiG-21 fighter pilot in the world to shoot down an American F-16 jet. India Today's Hamza Amir visited the area where Abhinandan's jet crash-landed.
Other than this wreckage, this is where the whole episode happened. When the plane landed, it was an explosion. You can see the wreckage still here. Other than this, we can see these are wires. These are some chips that were part of the plane.
Wing Commander Abhinandan was attacked by locals in the area, but the brave pilot maintained his composure after bringing down the Pakistani jet.
Around 300 meters from here, where his plane landed, the locals saw this plane catch fire mid-air, land over there. They saw Abhinandan land here. And then the whole episode of a dogfight on ground also happened, because the people went after him. He ran as much as he could. He went down the mountain, back to the stream, tried to get away.
According to eyewitnesses, Wing Commander Abhinandan shouted slogans and ensured no secrets fell into enemy hands.
नारा लगाया ना, तो हमारे भाइयों ने जवाब दिया, तो इससे उसको पता चल गया. फिर उसने भागने की कोशिश की और यहाँ से नीचे निकला और सड़क के ऊपर से होता हुआ नाले के करीब गया. वहाँ पानी में छलांग लगाई और आपने जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे वो पानी में पता नहीं किधर छोड़े, कुछ मुंह में डाले हैं.
That's the place from where he was stopped. He was forced to throw his weapon away, and the path that we came from, that was where the army came in, and they stopped him, they captured him, arrested him. The locals kept beating him as soon as he threw his weapon away. That's why you saw these injury marks on his right cheek.
Aviation experts are in awe of Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman. After his heroic dogfight over the skies along the line of control, India Today cameras are a testament to the valor of the brave pilot and gives an undeniable proof that our nation is protected by brave hearts.
I, Hamza Amir, reporting from Horan village at the line of control for India Today.
Gaurav Samant, our executive editor, is joining us live from the newsroom now. Gaurav, what an amazing feat that is, that you are in a second-generation fighter jet, taking down a fourth-generation one, landing in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, getting beaten up by the locals. I mean, what a miracle and what a brave man this is.
He indeed is, and he's a hero. He's a hero for the new generation of Indians. As you very rightly pointed out, with the 1960s vintage MiG-21, of course an upgraded MiG-21 Bison, he used an air-to-air missile and managed to get an F-16 down, something that Pakistan still does not acknowledge. And, you know, Pakistan is actually tying itself in knots, trying to explain what kind of an aircraft it was that went down on their side. But the fact that Wing Commander Abhinandan communicates back to his base that he's got a lock on an F-16. He takes aim and he fires and he gets a kill. He'll go down in history as the first man in the history of aviation to have got an F-16 down with a MiG-21. That's point one. Point two, even when he landed, fortunately, this is injury. He managed to save the documents, even though he was assaulted by locals. He kept his poise, he kept his calm. When he was taken in custody by the Pakistan Army and, from what sources tell India Today, tortured by the Pakistan Army, he managed to keep his poise, and within 48 hours, he was back home.
Absolutely. One can only imagine, Gaurav, the kind of ordeal this man had to go through for our entire country.
Oh, undoubtedly. He's an air warrior. And air warriors are trained for extremely difficult, situations. One, you're actually flying a weapon. Your aircraft is a weapon platform. It's loaded with weapons, especially when they were at a 2-minute alert at the Srinagar airbase, supposed to take off to intercept incoming enemy aircraft. So you have to keep your wits around yourself. Again, from what sources tell India Today, he knew what he was getting into. But the fact, as an air warrior, he knew that this was a Pakistani F-16. This Pakistani F-16 had made that big mistake of trying to cross the LC or attempting to cross the LC and take on Indian installations. He had to take it down. Split-second decision when your aircraft is flying, maybe just about the speed of sound or, faster than the speed of sound. It's only in split seconds that you have to take a decision. He took that decision and he took that Pakistani F-16 down. In the history of Air Force, you haven't seen this kind of valor very often.
Absolutely, Gaurav. Thanks much for joining us with all of that. So there you go, Abhinandan Varthaman, India's true hero. He was choked, he was beaten, he was sleep deprived. All as Pakistan tried to extract sensitive information from him. Watch this mega exclusive. It's a world exclusive by India Today. Watch this report at 6:30 p.m. today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.